Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing for a crucial 1 terabyte. So I've got two of these. One of these was a refurbished model from Amazon, which was 30 quid cheaper. But what I'm going to do is put them into this thing here. So what this allows you to do is to mount two SSD kind of 2.5 inch drives onto one PCIe card. And I'm going to put it in a 2010 MacPro edition. I mean, this is all the stuff here. You might as well just freeze frame it rather than me just talk about it. But what I'm going to do is do a comparison between my current setup, which is two Western Digital black 7,200 RPM spinners, which are configured in a RAID 0, the basic RAID. At the moment I'm getting about 150 megabytes a second. With this bad boy I should be getting up to 900 megabytes a second, so it should be 9 times quicker. The reason why I got this was because I recently bought a second-hand MacBook Pro late 2013 off Fleabay, and I was very impressed at how overall a nicer experience it was using Final Cut Pro 10.2. Here's some more text for you. And yeah, it was just a general nippiness about it, really quick, instantaneous previews of the filters, generators and stuff. And yeah, I'm just looking to make my 2010 Mac Pro a bit quicker. So here is the card here. You get the card, you get a load of nuts here, I guess, to screw on the SSD cards. And then you get this, you get a CD-ROM, ironically, because obviously Macs don't have CD-ROMs anymore. This is a adapter card documentation, so that's a manual PDF if you need it. So let's take a look at these SSDs anyway. So this is what you get with a refurbished model from Amazon. Hopefully there's no sort of dodgy things left on it, or any, maybe there'd be like a secret dossier on Theresa May or something. So here is a used SSD. I mean, that is pretty much really good condition. I can't really see anything wrong with that. Obviously stick it in and we'll find out. It's nice material, sort of feels aluminium-y. So there we go. I won't bother with the other one. You've seen one SSD, you've seen them all. So that is a adapter, I assume, some sort of adapter thing. So there we go. What is that actually? That's a 7mm to 9mm adapter. So that's obviously a 9mm adapter. So here's the card here. Electrostatic thing. Be careful. Ground yourself before you know yourself. So let's just have a look at this baby. Here we go. It's a beautiful electronics board with some scratches on it. So there we go. There's some scratch there, scratch there. Maybe whoever made this was drunk and their screwdriver just that'll do. So there we go. That's a SATA. That's a Sonnet ROHS. It's made in China. It's QA passed. That is going in my Mac Pro. Even got like a proper IT thing going on there. So there we go. There's the pins there. These are fake pins, I think. That I'm not sure why they're on there, but don't know. You've also got on here, I think these are two SATA points on there as well. So there we go. So hopefully this will all work fine, and I'll have a really fast RAID in my Mac Pro. So they're really easy to put in. I've just put one in. You don't need an adapter. Slight give here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a slight give there, but I think it's going to be okay. So I'm going to put the next one in. So there we go. That's the SD card there. You've got a little adapter thing there, which I don't think you need. So here we go. This is a 2.5 inch drive. I'm going to stick it straight in. So what you want to do, you just literally line up these, so you've got a small one and a big one there, and on the card here you've got a small one and a big one, and you just literally want to pop it in. There we go, it just slides in. I don't know whether you saw that or not, but there we go, that's how you put it in. Once you've put the SD cards in, you have to flip this over and then put 4 screws in. They are supplied here in the bag. You get 8 screws, and so you've got to put them in using a Phillips screwdriver. So drive 1 is here. Not too tight, finger tight. Just wanted to do a quick heads up that with this card, if you've got a mid 2012, which is the same as a 2010 MacPro, or a 2009 MacPro, you can put it in any PCIe card slot. It is quite long, so you may need to move the fan bit back and put it back in to get it in. If you've got a 2008 or well, with a 2008 model, you have to put it in slot 2. If you've got a 2008 MacPro, just double check with sonnettechnologies.com. We'll put a link for the manual in the video description. If it's earlier than 2008, then obviously check that as well. But if you've got 2009 and up, then you're good to go. Just stick it in any old slot and hopefully it will work. I'm just going to attempt it now, so good luck.